Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add poll to caption on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to update your Instagram application first. So after updating your Instagram application first, you have to just simply open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, you guys have to just simply click on the below right corner of the post plus icon. So below corner, you have to just simply select the post plus icon. So after tapping on that, now it will ask to provide you such kind of interface. Now what you have to do is you have to just simply select the post which you want to post on Instagram. After that, you have to simply click on next on the top right corner, and here you have to just simply select any of the filter which you want to add, and after that you have to just simply click on next. So after clicking on next, now it will ask you for write a caption or add a poll section. Here you have to simply type on it. So after typing on that, now it will ask you for adding a caption. So you guys can also add captions. So after adding any of the caption, you have to just simply click on the poll section which is on below that. So after clicking on poll, now it will ask you for 4 options. The first option is you have to simply ask a question first. So the question might be, which color is your favorite? So after writing the question, now what you have to do is there are basically by default 2 options, yes or no. So if you want to be like to use default, then you guys can leave it, or otherwise you guys can also change them by just clicking on that and write the options like that. So if you want to add another option, you guys can just simply click on add another option, but 2 options will be compulsory. So here you have to simply add another option, and after that you guys can add multiple options, thousands of options here. So after adding any of the options, now you have to just simply click on the tick corner of the top right corner. So after clicking on tick, now it will add a poll, and you guys have to simply click on share below to share a post on a poll post on Instagram. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.